Hi, hello everybody. Greetings from PackOS exhibition. We are here on Unilogo U2 Robotics stand on this exhibition, and this line, this big beautiful line, is connected to our logic platform. You can see how it is. You can see how it is monitored in our system in a very simple but very modern and powerful way. And now we want to talk to you something more about our self-learning factory concept. This concept is about giving to the factories, to the users, very useful and very reliable insights about the production process. Just in time. So we start from the machine level. That's why you can see in this line, this Unilogo line is connected to our system, and this is our laboratory for the prediction models. Not only prediction models, because our idea is to represent this line in our digital twin library and make us possible to generate insights about, for example, how to adjust the settings of the machine to avoid unexpected breakdowns. What else? We can do prediction of the failures of some part of some components in the machine. Adam, can you please stop the machine? I will show you details. Let us go inside the machine. Let's look what is happening inside. This is the boss. Hello, boss. Okay. Check it out. Już mogę? Jeszcze. Safety rules. Okay. Let's go inside. As you can see, there's some components inside. For example, these capping heads. We are able, with our prediction model, we are able to recognize before we experience problem with this capping head, and give the user warnings that this capping head should be exchanged with the new parts. How? Just by monitoring the time of the capping. Exactly a similar way, we can recognize when you have to change this sucking head of this robot, of this cap sorter, yeah. And in similar way, we can warn about the overheating of the servo motors, yeah. All this kind of predictions can be done because in our system we can see what you can't see. We can see many detailed parameters of the process, and based on those parameters, we can prepare the prediction models and prediction rules. Yeah. But what is quite important is that it is always expensive and time-consuming to prepare this kind of models
for individual machines.
For individual machines. That's why. Let's go. So that's why we realized that the key point is to build the library of the machines and type of the machines, because if you can see this modules of this line can be seen on the straight in many other machines. Yeah. If we go, let's go. If we go and visit other machine vendors, then we can see very similar robots, very similar cap sorters and butter sorters with exactly the same heads. Yeah. So we realized that the key point to reduce the price of preparing this kind of prediction models is to build the digital twin library of the machines and the part of the machines. Yeah. Then we can we can prepare once and use many times for different models. So if you want to be a partner, more about this project, about the self-learning factory concept is now available on our webpage. You can read more.
They see the inspiration section.
Yes, inspiration section.
ilabo.com.
If you want to be connected to our Logics platform, just drop us an email, yeah, and then it is quite easy to connect different type of machines to our system and be a partner. We we want you to be a partner, yeah,
And start benefiting from self-learning factory.
Yes. Thank you.